Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering several questions related to how to clean the intercooler radiator, its interior, to remove the oil, and what is the best cleaning product? Well, from experience, I would tell you that the best product to clean it is gasoline. There are solvents that are very powerful. The problem is that these solvents can also degrade aluminum. They can damage the aluminum. That's why you have to be very careful. As I said, the best is gasoline, and then remove the gasoline with air. We put air under pressure. We use 3 to 4 liters, depending on the dirt of the intercooler radiator, and we pour liter by liter, pour a liter, plug the 2 mouths of the intercooler radiator and shake it. Shake it so that the gasoline moves well and the oil is released, and you take it out like this. You do it liter by liter, and in the end, as I say, after the 3rd or 4th liter, it comes out quite clean. And then to remove the remains that may remain inside, we put air under pressure. We never put water or soap inside the intercooler. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.